Did you know that Datavideo has a new, affordable PTZ camera controller? This is the Datavideo RMC2P, a compact, powerful camera controller with a professional-grade joystick. Any user can easily pan, tilt, and zoom Datavideo PTZ cameras with cinematic smoothness. It's super lightweight, USB or PoE powered, and is built for plug-and-play simplicity when you're setting it up. Perfect for entry-level users at a house of worship, studio, or any venue that wants professional results with a budget-friendly price. The RMC2P can connect directly to one Datavideo PTZ camera for a quick and easy setup, or it could control up to 3 cameras through a local network. It's fast and simple to connect to Datavideo PTZ cameras in your existing network, or it operates just as easily on its own private closed network. Save your most used camera angles with 4 dedicated preset buttons, and mount the camera controller on the included metal plate for more stability. And that's the Datavideo RMC2P. Smooth, simple, and affordable. To learn more about it and find a local dealer, click the link in the description below, or go to datavideo.com.